paper towel bowl. You get me you get me my garbage bag. Give me a garbage bag. Something. Not an extra one or two.
Okay, I'm recording you now. You can tell them what you're doing.
I'm making slime.
And what have you added?
I don't really think it's going to turn out into slime. Because I think I need to start over really.
Why?
Because it's all chunky and it's...
So what didn't you do?
No, it's something that I'm not supposed to do. So, don't add baking soda. Because baking soda is not going to work on this type of glue. Look at this.
Okay. So put that one to the side and try again.
Okay. I have one more bowl. And I hope this works.
You're supposed to be looking at the camera.
I hope this works. So, guys, okay.
You're supposed to tell what you're doing as you're
So
doing.
I'm putting clear glue into my
Turn it around
slime.
so they can see the glue in case they want to
buy it. This was from Walmart.
Okay.
And I'm not adding any baking soda. Don't add any baking soda. It's going to mess up your whole slime if you add clear glue and baking soda in the slime. So, yeah. Just get that and add your food coloring. Which is, mine is blue. I made it look like purple. But it's really blue. And you see it. So now I'm turning it to blue. This is pretty. Guys, look at how pretty this is. Look at me already.
Looks like the bottom of an ocean.
And it looks like a shampoo. It looks like shampoo. Reminds me of shampoo. So, once you're done mixing, I'm going to add my contact solution.
Now, why are you adding contact solution? What is that going to do?
It's going to activate the slime, which means to make it slime.
Stretchy?
Yes, make it stretchy. But if you add too much, it's going to be all rough.
So how do you know how much to add?
You can usually, what you can usually do, I don't really do this, but you can usually take a spoon and put some of it in there and then pour it in there and then mix it up and then it's going to become slime. Ugh. So, I don't really use the measuring thing. The measuring thing I just said. Because I already know. For some reason it's not working. So I'm gonna add just a teensy bit. Just not a lot. Add with the spoon. Use the spoon.
Is it coming together now by adding a little bit of the baking soda?
I don't know.
So maybe you need to add some more?
Maybe. But I feel like this time I'm going to use my... coming together a little bit now. Now that I add my thing, but now I'm gonna add some of this to make it. And it's getting all fluffy, but it's still slime. Still, it just needs to be activated. Do we still have borax?
Yes.
Can you get it? I think borax would do the job.
How about maybe adding some more baking soda?
baking soda and water.
No, just the baking soda. I think the baking soda is what holds it
But
together.
this is what made it. This is what happens when you add baking soda to clear slime.
So then maybe all you needed to do was add some more contact solution.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you gotta mix it, I think. Like you usually do when it's sticky.
Oh look, this is coming together.
Yeah, I just think you didn't mix it. I think it was fine.
But then it comes like out like this.
Oh, you made it before.
I made it. So then it turns like that. So
Should I stop this video then?
No. Because we're still gonna keep add more contact solution, you said? Okay. I hope you know what you're doing. It's forming. That's what I know. It's forming. It's forming. Look, it's forming. It's forming, guys. It's forming. Yay. Yay, it's forming. Just have to keep mixing. See? It's forming, guys. Yay! I think it might actually be a success. I told you. We teas never give up. Neither should you. If I don't give up, you shouldn't ever give up. Look how pretty. Whoa.
It's a pretty blue.
I love this slime. So pretty.
So is that the way it's supposed to look? Is it coming together? And then what's the final touch in terms of letting it come together? You have to knead it?
Yeah. If you don't knead it, it's going to be sticky.
And what happens if the slime gets super hard? How do you soften it back up?
Put lotion in it.
Any kind of lotion?
Come follow me. Hi guys, this is my room. I know, it's purple. That's funny. So you use the Jergens lotion.
I don't think you have to use
You don't have
Jergens
to
lotion,
use it.
but just
You just
that's
use,
what you use.
That's what this is something I
That
use.
sweet smelling lotion, right? That expensive lotion that mom always told you not to use. And you ignore her anyway.
Silly.
Still read that right?
Can we see the slime?
Yes. Abu. I think it's still a fail, but it looks like.
So it didn't really come out as slimy as you would like it, right?
Wait, I think I still have some. I want to see the difference from clear glue. I don't want to see how to make clear slime because clear slime is. I think the difference from white slime and clear slime. I think you're supposed to add borax when you do clear slime.
The clear slime? Okay.
Try borax when you do clear slime.
So
Okay,
we'll
guys,
tell them we'll do another vlog with the borax.
we'll do another vlog with the borax. But for now.
Are you gonna try to make one with just the white glue?
Sure.
Cause that one you can use.
Cause that one I can just make.
Do you have any white slime? I meant white glue.
Yes, a little bit left. Just a little bit. But I'm gonna use it for you guys. Only for you guys. Don't tell. Because I'm only using it for you guys because I want to prove I'm the slime master. Because when off camera sometimes, when I make slime, I finish it and I make like 5 slimes. You guys, you wouldn't believe it. But
And so what's an easy way to clean up the slime mess? What are you wiping it off with?
Clorox disinfecting wipe.
Because it comes out really easy, right?
Yup, it's like water. It's like you're putting water in it, but it's easier to wipe it with that instead. So I think we're gonna use a little bit of the white glue. So you guys, I'm gonna use some white glue and see what happens. There's this stuff.
Do you want me to try to open it? Or
Yes, please.
let me see.
It's turning. It's turning. It's turning.
Did you get it?
Got it.
Okay, let's see if you can get anything out of there.
She's coming out. I told you. Let me try to use this spoon. Come on. This needs to
Did you get enough out to at least make something, or you need
Yes,
more?
I can get enough out. I'm getting enough out today.
Don't you have the small packs in your book bag?
Yes.
So you want to just use that to
Just
get
use
the rest?
some of it. To get the rest. I could see more. If you look in there, there's more.
Yeah, but we might have to cut that bottle open to get more out of it.
Okay. I'll just use some of the Elmer's glue. That's just enough. It's just.
So are you gonna make a different color?
What color do you think I should make down below? What color do you think I should make, Mom?
Pink.
Okay. I only have green, light green, blue, and purple. I think I only have blue, purple, and green.
Let's try green then.
What kind?
Like a mint green.
Dark green, mint green. What kind of green? Mint green. Mint green. Okay. So, and some light green, just to lighten it up. When I put it in, some blue, and I'm gonna mix that up.
So you're like making all colors right now.
No, it's brown. It's like, it could be like coffee slime.
I don't think I've ever seen.
I never
A
ever
slime like
seen a
that.
slime like this. Guys, have you ever seen a slime like this? Comment down below. Because I don't really like the color.
They can't comment
I
down
don't
below
really
because
like-
nothing is online.
I don't really like the color.
We're not online yet.
I don't really like this color, so I'm gonna turn it purple. Just turn it purple. That's my best option. Just turn it purple. Ta-da! It's purple now. Should it be darker?
So
or
that
lighter?
is the white glue and food coloring,
Bubbles.
correct?
Bubbles.
That's all you're mixing right now.
Yes, food coloring and glue. I'm making a dark purple. That's why. That's why I'm making.
That doesn't look purple. That looks blue.
It's blue then. Call it blue. But it's very dark purple if you look at it. It looks blue. Does it look purple? Does it look purple to you?
Looks blue. Like a navy blue.
Like the navy, like the blue we have to wear in school. So now, let me show you. Oh, we gotta add a little bit of this. And trust me, this baking soda works. This one works. This baking soda works in this slime, I tell you. Let me show you.
It works better in the white slime. I meant the white glue than the
Clear
glue.
glue. That's my point.
See, it's already getting sticky. Look.
I love you, slime.
But we'll still try to work out the clear slime and do another
and
pulse.
see, and we're gonna,
figure out
and
which
before
one-
we get to the next video, we're gonna try to figure out
What makes it?
What makes the clear glue? What makes the clear glue form into slime without making it look all chunky like this?
Right.
Like, cause this is literally all chunky.
Let's see.
Chunky.
So that was using the same ingredients, except we just used the clear glue. And then here we use the white glue, and look how stretchy it is. It looks like slime. Look.
It's slime. I
It's
told
slime.
you. Slime. It's slime. Slime.
Do you need to put lotion in it?
I'm just adding a little bit because.
And sometimes she adds the sweet smelling lotion so that the slime smell like candy.
But I don't really like this sweet smelling lotion a lot. I prefer this one.
Yeah, the expensive.
Don't add way too much. Don't add.
So if you want to save some money, go buy the lotion from the dollar store.
Mom, we're not doing live. We're not doing. We're not doing stuff like that, girl. And I want to think.
Are we ending this video?
Wait, I have something to say.
Okay, say what you need to say.
And so, first, I want to know something. Do you guys love videos so much? Then why don't you make your own? Because that's being creative. You're being very, very creative. And once you show what you can do afterwards, the world will love you.